Hello everyone, my name is Noreen Fikir. Let's talk about FINTRAC and the different methods that we have to verify a client's identity. The first way is with a photo ID. So of course you're meeting a client that wants to open up an account with you, either to do investments or maybe to buy an insurance product. You're going to ask them to see a valid original ID. Of course, your name has to be on the ID, and you need to have an ID with a picture. Most common example, of course, is a driver's license or a passport. Another way is with the credit report. So the credit report, the document that you're going to pull out, the file must exist for at least 3 years of time. You have to watch their person's name, address, and date of birth. And of course, it has to match information that the client gave you now. The most common place to get this, of course, will be with Equifax. And the third way is dual process. So the original versions of 2 documents, again, always the name, address, and the date of birth of the client has to match information that you're able to pull out. What I really want you guys to remember from this, and the purpose of this, is really to make sure that the client or the person sitting in front of you is the same person that you're getting all of the information for. If it's not, because it could be that, this client's opening up an account for somebody else, then you'll need to have this third-party determination form filled out. So I hope I was able to help you, and good luck with your studies.